We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the verb to drink. The past tense or simple past is pronounced as drank, as in he drank an orange juice yesterday. The past participle is pronounced as drunk, drunk, as in the whole wine was drunk yesterday night. Overall, drink, drank, drunk, drink, drank, drunk. Watch this video right here to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs. Improve your English to watching it. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. Subscribe to the channel to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.